You just landed in Japan with zero Japanese. The plane doors open and nobody switches to English. Now what?
So here's the fun part. From that gate to your first real conversation is about 90 minutes.
And honestly, one sentence carries you through almost all of it. I'll prove it.
One sentence, 4 moments. Let's walk it minute by minute. You be the jet-lagged tourist.
Okay. First stop, the immigration hall. Long line, bright lights, and my brain is still on the plane.
Before you panic, most of this is done on your phone. Fill in the arrival QR code before you land.
Right, the Visit Japan web thing. So I scan the code. Then what? They interrogate me?
Barely. You put 2 fingers on the pads, look at the little camera, and the officer might ask one thing. Passporto onegai shimasu.
Wait, I caught the ending. Onegai shimasu. That means please, right?
Exactly. Onegai shimasu. Is your polite please? Hold on to it. It's the back half of our magic sentence.
And the second question? The scary one where they ask why I'm here?
Kankou desu. That's it. Kankou desu. Sightseeing. One word plus desu. And silence is totally fine. Nobody expects a speech.
Okay, that was gentler than I built up in my head. I'm through. Bags collected. Onward. New crisis. I'm at the station and there are 11 signs and none of them are helping me.
Breathe. First, get an IC card. Suica or Pasmo. You just tap it and walk. No ticket math.
Tap and walk. Love that. But I still don't know which platform goes to Tokyo.
So, you find a station agent, pull up your destination on your phone, and here comes the magic sentence.
This is the one you keep teasing. Okay, teach me the front of it. It starts with Sumimasen.
Yes. Sumimasen is excuse me and sorry and hello? Can I bother you all in one? It opens every door here.
And then, kore, which is just this. And I point at my screen. Then the onegaishimasu from before. Sumimasen, kore onegaishimasu.
Perfect. You just pointed at a place and asked for help politely without knowing a single train word.
I'm on the train, and oh, it's dead silent in here. Did I do something wrong?
Nope. Trains are just quiet zones. People text, nap, stare out the window. So you get a free 40-minute breather.
Okay, I made it into the city and I am starving and dehydrated. Convenience store, save me.
The konbini is the tourist's best friend. Grab a water and a rice ball, and onigiri, and head to the counter.
Here's where I always freeze. The clerk talks fast and I don't know the script.
You don't need the script. You just set your stuff down and use the exact same sentence.
Sumimasen, kore onegaishimasu.
See? Same words. Kore means this. So it works for a phone map or a rice ball. Doesn't matter.
Then they ask me something and I completely blank. What is it usually?
Fukuro okkai desu ka? That's the bag question. Fukuro means bag. Want one? Just say the please sentence again, pointing at nothing.
Fukuro onegaishimasu. And if I don't want one? I've got tote bag guilt. I want to say no thanks.
Daijoubu desu. Daijoubu desu is your gentle no thanks. And for paying? Cash or card, both fine. Tap phones work everywhere too.
So I don't even count coins. I just tap. And I'm out with a rice ball. This is a dream. Wait, hold on. Let me count. Immigration, the platform, the counter, the bag. Was that all?
The same sentence, every single time. This one,
Sumimasen, kore onegaishimasu.
break it down. Sumimasen. Excuse me. Kore. This, while you point, onegaishimasu. Please, that's the whole toolkit.
And the secret sauce is politeness, not vocabulary. I was so worried about being fluent.
Nobody expects fluency from you. A polite sumimasen and a point gets you further than perfect grammar ever will.
That's a weight off. I was ready to memorize a phrasebook, and it turns out I needed one line.
So your first 90 minutes in Japan, wrapped. For the officer, kanko desu. Sightseeing. Silence is fine.
For the platform and the counter and the bag, one sentence does it all. Say it with me. すみません、これ、お願いします。
Say that point, and you walk out of arrivals without freezing. That's the whole trick.
Want the printable arrival cheat sheet with all of these? Tap the link in our bio. See you in Japan.